Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Databricks SQL to Lakehouse dashboards. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Databricks account. Navigate to the SQL workspace from the home page. Select or create a new SQL dashboard for your visualization. Click on the Add a Data Source option within the dashboard. Choose Lakehouse as your data source. In the connection settings, enter your Lakehouse endpoint URL. Provide the necessary authentication details, including username and password. Select the desired database from the drop-down menu. Choose the relevant tables that you want to visualize. Confirm the selection and click on Add Data Source. Once the data source is added, use the SQL editor to write queries. Run your queries to validate the results from the Lakehouse. For visualization, click on the Add Visualization button. Select the type of visualization that best represents your data. Customize the visualization settings as needed. Save your changes to the dashboard. Review the final dashboard layout for clarity and usability. You are now ready to share your insights using the connected Databricks SQL and Lakehouse dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.